back to my channel. Thank you guys so much as always for taking the time to click on this video. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, or don't subscribe, but if you're gonna watch my videos, please subscribe. So we're just gonna jump right into today's video. Today's video, we are going to do a thrift store flip challenge. I actually already went to the thrift store and got the clothes that I needed. We are going to DIY and upcycle the clothing. And I made this more of a challenge to myself because I stuck to everything that was on the $1 rack. Hold on guys, I'm gonna be right back. My bird is screaming, so I'm gonna cover him and we're gonna try this again. Okay, you know what? I just shut my door because he will not stop screaming. So we're going to upcycle the $1 clothing that I got from the thrift store. I'm super excited to share with you guys the pieces that I upcycled. Honestly, this is my first time ever upcycling clothing. So I already went to the thrift store, got the stuff, and I will insert that footage for you guys right here in the video. I'm really excited for you guys to see the outfits that I upcycled. Again, this is my first time that I've ever upcycled clothing, but I know it's a very popular and trendy thing right now, especially with quarantine going on. We just have so much time on our hands, so I figured why not. So I did get about, I think it was 7 items from the thrift store. So I only ended up spending about $7, and I upcycled 5 of those items of clothing, and I'm going to show you how I styled them, how I would wear them, and the process of how I DIY'd my upcycle. So I'm going to go ahead and insert all of that footage, starting with our thrift store visit. So enjoy. I think this is pretty cute. We're gonna get this. Oh, this is sick. Kinda. Oh, it's Billabong. I bet I can make this.
Oh, that one looks dope. Look at that,
cool.
that Batman one.
I don't know.
Do you know you don't think so? You can cut that in crop top with the Batman single?
I think I don't like the V-neck of it.
And then put diamonds on it? Oh shit, I would fuck with that.
Okay. Rally for Justice. Ooh, I don't know why. This one is pretty cool. So we'll get that. What is this? Oh, this Nike one. Maybe I could somehow make it into a crop top, so we're gonna get that. Ooh.
Maybe go through these ones right here.
Okay. Oh, if this was my size, I would wear this. I kind of like, I don't know, what do you think about this? Nah.
Maybe keep looking.
This might be kind of cool
to
layer under something.
What's that purple one?
What, this?
No, back, that big one. Right, no, right there, yeah, what's that? Hold on. It's kind of cool. Oh, what's that say? They look dope. They look like some vintage. Yeah, get that. Eternal Sunshine? Fuck yeah.
Okay.
It's fire. That green one? Ooh, what's that?
Mario Bros.
Yeah, get that, get that.
Really?
Yeah, that's fire.
I wouldn't wear it though.
It's trendy. I don't know. I feel like when you do shit like that and you change it up, I don't know. You don't have to do anything with that, but I think so.
I think it is cool and it does look vintage, but I do want to stick to things I'm actually gonna wear.
Good shot, fetish. Wait.
I'm gonna get these shorts. They're like little boy shorts. I don't know. They just fit right. I think that's everything we're gonna get.
Hi.
Okay, so for this one you're going to need scissors, transfer paper, a sewing kit, and some elastic. I then cut out the Tommy Hilfiger logo that I wanted to place onto the shirt. Now you can see I'm just trying to place it and iron it down so that it will stay, but I did end up burning it a little bit so the color came out really dark. Then I just cropped it, put the elastic on, turn it inside out, and then cropped it up again just to give it a nice hem. And here you can see that I'm sewing. I have no clue how to sew, but we're just kind of winging it. I threaded the elastic through, and that's pretty much it after I turned it right side out, and there you go. so this next one is super easy. All I did was cut it in half just to crop the shirt. I didn't film it, but I did distress the shirt, and then I went ahead and stretched it to give it a nice hem. That's all. Okay, for this one, I literally did the exact same thing as I did with the yellow shirt. I'm just cutting it to crop it, and then you're gonna see me stretch it just to give it a finer, rolled, vintage looking hem. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Okay, so this one's a little bit more advanced, but it did end up being one of my favorite shirts. I distressed the shirt, then cut it in half to crop it, and did the exact same thing as I did with the first shirt, put the elastic and hemmed it, but this time I actually ended up using super glue and safety pins to hem it to give it a more rough look. I put bleach on it to give that acid wash, and then rolled the sleeves, and that's pretty much it. So for this next shirt, I had to completely transform it into a different shirt because it did not fit over my head. So I ended up throwing out the collar part and turning it into a crop top. I cut it in half, and then once I finished cutting, I scrunched the middle of the top and then added a string to secure it. I just tied it and then added strings as straps and buttons. Okay, so this next shirt, I actually didn't end up doing anything to it, but that's the back and the front. That's the back of the shirt. So here's how I styled it. Okay, so for these shorts, I actually didn't end up doing anything to them. I just cuffed both of the pant legs, and then I'm going to show you how I styled it with the previous shirt that I upcycled. This video, honestly, like what you guys see is like a 10 or even 15-minute YouTube video put together, and it's like done in fast motion and you just see the cut up final product. But oh my god, it took me a really long time to film this video because a lot of the things that I did in this video were things that I did for the first time ever, like upcycling, sewing. Some of the shirts I had to sew, and I've never really sewed before. So yeah, it just took a long time, and then just going to the thrift store and stuff like that, it took a couple days to actually put this video together. Yeah, and just have everything ready for it. But oh my god, I am so happy. I'm so happy. I feel like this video was definitely a success, probably even better than my last video, and I think that is such a great thing to be able to say, is that every time I film a video I feel like I get a little bit better, and especially with now putting out so much more fashion content, it's still new for me. As much as I love to do it and I'm so passionate about it, every single time I sit down to film a video or just come up with new ideas for you guys, I'm testing the waters with new things that I've never done before. So that is really exciting, and I'm just so happy that it was such a success. I think every single outfit that I put together and upcycled for this video was a hit. Like even down to the striped yellow and blue t-shirt, or it was a collared sweatshirt. I was like, there's no way I can make this work. The shirt did not fit me whatsoever, but somehow I did it and just came up with a new concept for that shirt. Honestly, I feel like that is so cool because it's expressing a side of creativity that I have not really exercised before, and it is so amazing to see how you can take one thing and completely transform it to something different, something new, something fashionable, and something you, and that rhymed. I would rate all the outfits that I wore a 10 out of 10. Every single upcycle I think was a 10 out of 10. You know, even down to the simple white t-shirt and just the way that I styled it. I'm so happy. I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So much hard work went into it. It was such a fun experience just being able to put this stuff together for you guys. So I think out of all of the shirts that I upcycled, this one definitely has to be my favorite one. I was a little skeptical at first because I hemmed it with super glue and what are these? I was gonna call them bobby pins, safety pins. So I was like skeptical that it wouldn't work, but it did, and it just came together as such like a vintage rocker millennial street vibe. I don't even know what you would call this. Yeah, I think it just really worked, and you guys are gonna see me wearing this shirt probably a lot. But all in all, thank you guys so much. Again, if you stayed to the end, go ahead and leave a comment. What was your favorite shirt in this video? Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my video. You guys are gonna definitely see so much more content, so much more fashion and music content here on this channel. And if this video actually brought you to my channel through somewhere on YouTube, thank you for watching my video, and I hope there's something that you found in this video that was helpful. Either ways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We did it, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and that's it. Bye!